Do you want to get Pi Network to get to the mainnet quickly and make the long wait worth the while? If you really care about the Pi Network project and its realization, then pay attention to the following and take action. Don't sit and wait or expect to make millions simply because you were the part of those that mined Pi. The core team could not be any clearer when they asked that all hands must be on deck. This is a perfect opportunity to make a difference in this journey to make Pi a success. If you are serious about the Pi becoming something realistic and making a difference to your finances, then this video is for you. In this video, I will show you what you need to do to assist the Pi Network project pass global acceptance and become what it has always been created for. So relax and watch. Also share the video to other pioneers and non-pioneers, for this is the time the Pi Network need your support the most. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. Give a thumbs up to help improve the visibility of this video. If you are ready, let's begin. I will start this video by telling you about a company called Skynet. The Skynet Security Score is an innovative scoring system that examines the real-time security posture of projects by analyzing important on-chain and off-chain data. CertiK's scoring system covers a majority of Web3 projects that can be found on popular cryptocurrency tracking platforms like CoinMarketCap. Skynet's methodology employs a weighted average of security measures to evaluate the security standing of Web3 projects. The evaluation is independently conducted regardless of a project's affiliation with CertiK, ensuring an objective scoring of all projects. For complete security assurance by all pioneers, we need to support the Pi Network to undergo the security audit. Once done by Skynet, the Pi Network credibility will improve and attract more attention, thereby giving it the more desired community support and acceptance that will take it to #1 cryptocurrency in the world. The security score is calculated by aggregating subscores from different signals, where a higher score indicates better performance in specific security measurements. Over 15 signals are integrated to measure security performance across 6 security categories, namely code security, fundamental health, operational resilience, community trust, market stability, governance strength, asterisk. Code security assesses the steps taken by teams to guarantee that the project's code and development are secure and reviewed. Asterisk. Fundamental health measures team and project transparency, structure, quality of documentation, and related indicators. Asterisk. Operational resilience considers challenges the project may face and how they overcome them through project progress and security response to operational risks. Asterisk. Community trust measures social engagement of the project in evaluating its overall social health across platforms like Twitter, Telegram, and Discord. Asterisk. Market stability considers a project's ability to maintain a stable and predictable value over time without significant volatility or fluctuations. Asterisk. Governance strength measures a project's ability to operate in a decentralized manner in terms of decision-making and distribution of token holders. Signals are divided based on 2 types, manual and automatic. Manual signal scores are determined by research analysts and security experts who evaluate factors such as the quality of white paper, documentation, and more. The manual signal score is periodically re-evaluated to reflect the most recent security posture of the projects. Automatic signal scores are calculated in real time by our underlying software and monitoring systems. Automatic signals evaluate website cybersecurity, previous security incidents, on-chain activity, and other factors. Now that we know all these, let me take you through the process of voting for the Pi Network project to be audited. From your browser, navigate to the website address. I will leave the link in the description below and also in my pinned comment. Once there, you will see a screen that looks like this. Next, locate the button below that says, Cast your vote now. Click on the button. Then you will be asked to register. But if you have previously registered, you can go ahead and sign in. If not, click on Sign Up and follow the instructions. Provide your email address and password. Next step, a code will be sent to your email address provided by you. Open the email and copy the code. Paste the code in the box provided and click to confirm. Then solve the puzzle to continue. This will return you to the voting page. Click the Vote Now button again to cast your vote, and you are done. Some of you might be wondering why you should vote. Well, it's simple. Reason number 1. Vote now to show your support for Pi and request they get audited. Reason number 2. Help improve Web3. Security Certificate Audit is the gold standard in Web3 security. Reason number 3. Security Due Diligence Platform. Join our platform and become a community advocate to enhance Web3 security. I believe that we should all come together as pioneers who support the Pi Network project and vote for the auditing of the project. Let's eliminate doubts and fasten our journey to the mainnet. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. This allows YouTube to send notifications to you when I release an informative video like this. Also, if you enjoyed this video, give a thumbs up. My name is Tony, and this is Basic Knowledge. Till my next video, keep mining.